You ever hear a story so insane that it makes you stop and think, wait, how is this even real? Well, this might just be one of those. An AI so powerful, so unexpected, it's making OpenAI rethink its entire future. DeepSeek AI just dropped, and it's already breaking records. But what's really going on? Is this the future of AI, or a massive disruption no one saw coming? Let's uncover the truth today in this video. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're uncovering a story that's shaking up not just Silicon Valley, but the entire geopolitical landscape. A mysterious AI model, an underestimated Chinese mastermind, and a disruption so big that it wiped $1 trillion from the US market overnight. So, just a few weeks ago, on January 20th, 2025, a Chinese research lab quietly launched an AI chatbot called DeepSeek R1. Now that might not sound like headline news, but it sent shockwaves across the globe. DeepSeek didn't just enter the AI arena, it dominated. According to its research paper, it outperformed the world's most advanced chatbots in crucial areas like math and reasoning. We're talking about giants like OpenAI's ChatGPT R1, Meta's Llama, and Google's Gemini Advanced, and it beat them all. But here's the kicker. DeepSeek isn't just better, it's also insanely efficient. It cost a fraction of the time and money to develop, and get this, it's completely free to use. Compare that to OpenAI, which charges a hefty $200 per month for its ChatGPT R1 Pro model. And the story gets even wilder. The reported cost of training DeepSeek, just $5.6 million. Meanwhile, American companies like OpenAI, Meta, and Google are pouring billions into their AI models. Talk about a David versus Goliath situation. Remember when OpenAI's founder, Sam Altman, was asked if countries like India could build foundational AI models with a smaller budget? He basically said it was hopeless to compete. Well, DeepSeek's success might be giving him a serious case of buyer's remorse. Within a week of its launch, DeepSeek became the most downloaded app in the US. Yeah, even surpassing ChatGPT. And the very next day, it conquered app stores in India and other countries. By January 27th, it had sent shockwaves through the American financial markets. The launch of this Chinese-built chatbot rattled investors, wiping out a staggering $1 trillion from the US tech index. NVIDIA, the world's most valuable company at $3.5 trillion, plummeted to $2.9 trillion in a single day. Their shares fell 17%, resulting in a loss of $589 billion. The biggest loss faced by any company in history, the tech-heavy Nasdaq, dropped 3.1%. So who is the mastermind behind this game-changing AI? The credit goes to Liang Wenfeng, a 40-year-old Chinese entrepreneur who prefers to stay out of the spotlight. Back in 2015, he founded a hedge fund called High Flyer, using math and AI for investments. Then in 2019, he launched High Flyer AI to focus on AI algorithm research. Fast forward to May 2023, he took the profits from his hedge fund and decided to go all in on his passion project, creating an AI model that would surpass them all, purely out of scientific curiosity. Instead of hiring traditional engineers, Liang recruited PhD students from China's top universities. He trained his AI using the world's most challenging questions. And in just 2 years, with a relatively small budget, he launched DeepSeek R1. And get this, his team? Only 200 people, 95% of them under 30. Compare that to OpenAI, which has over 3,500 employees. DeepSeek is also unique as China's only AI firm not funded by tech giants like Baidu, Alibaba, or ByteDance. Now let's talk about what makes DeepSeek tick. It's a chain of thought model, kind of like OpenAI's ChatGPT R1. The chain of thought approach allows the AI to think before answering, analyzing questions from multiple angles to improve its responses. It mimics the human reasoning process. Another great feature, DeepSeek actually shows you its thought process, step by step. You can see how it considers different possibilities before arriving at an answer. Of course, DeepSeek isn't without its limitations. One major drawback? Its censorship regarding politically sensitive topics related to the Chinese government. But here's where things get interesting. Because DeepSeek is open source, its code is publicly available, meaning anyone can download it, modify it, and remove the censorship. And companies like Perplexity, AI, and Microsoft have already done this, integrating DeepSeek into their platforms. And it's no secret that China has a history of strategic tech releases. TikTok wasn't just an app, it was a data-collecting juggernaut. And despite its Chinese origins, DeepSeek is gaining trust because of its open-source nature. It's even being used to challenge American companies like OpenAI, which, despite its name, has been getting less and less open over time. So how does DeepSeek stack up against the competition? According to various tests, DeepSeek excels in coding, quantitative reasoning, and news-related knowledge. While ChatGPT may be better at writing poems, DeepSeek shines at solving riddles. One big disadvantage, though? Its response time. It can be slower than ChatGPT R1, especially as more people start using it, leading to server issues. However, DeepSeek has a game-changing feature: the mixture of experts method. Instead of one single model handling everything, it divides tasks among multiple specialized models, making it more efficient and cost-effective. But here's the real takeaway. DeepSeek AI isn't just a technological achievement. It's a wake-up call. It proves that you don't need billions or a tech giant backing you to create groundbreaking AI. A small, determined team can shake the foundations of the biggest tech companies in the world. And what happens next? Well, that remains to be seen. But one thing is certain: DeepSeek has changed the game forever. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into DeepSeek AI. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next one.